My name is Dr. Carli Axford and I'm the founder of the Spinal Flow Technique. And today I wanted to do a video about the wisdom of the body. This is something that I'm so passionate about. And to me, it's the essence of the Spinal Flow Technique that the body is smart, the body is clever, that we have an intelligence inside our body that knows how to heal, and that left alone, our body wants to move towards healing. So when I speak about the wisdom of the body, I ask you to look at the systems of our body and what we do. If we're eating something that, let's say we eat a bad piece of fish that doesn't, that our body doesn't like, there's a wisdom in our body to say, you know what, that's not good for me right now. Maybe I'm going to have some vomit or diarrhea and I'm going to move it out. That is smart. That's the wisdom of the body. There's an intelligence in the body too that, if there's a virus or a bacteria in our body, what happens is our body raises the temperature. It raises it up really high to kill the virus or the bacteria. That's a smart, intelligent process. There's a smart, intelligent process around mucus. Mucus is all about clumping, the virus or the bacteria or the fungus in a spot so it can expel it out. So there's so much intelligence. And don't let me forget about, making a baby. That sperm that travels to that egg, the distance that travels to find that egg is insane. Like, we wouldn't know how to get there ourselves if we were in a car. So there's so much incredible intelligence in our body. And I think a lot of us can agree to go, we don't really know how it works, but it does. That sperm and that egg meet together. The cells multiply and multiply. A baby grows. That's incredibly intelligent. And that is no difference to what I look at in the nervous system. There's an intelligence in the body that runs up and down the spine in the nervous system, and it runs via the spinal wave. And so when I work with my clients and I teach my practitioners, we see that intelligence, we see that wisdom of the body. And I call it, you can call it the wisdom of the body, you can call it innate intelligence, life force, source, heart, chi, prana. There's so many words to say the same thing, but what we're trying to say is that the body's intelligent. There's a healing energy inside, and as long as that healing energy is without interference, the body's doing what the body knows how to do, heal you. So as spinal flow practitioners, I teach my practitioners that they're not in charge of someone else's healing. They facilitate healing. They find an access point. They help the wave move through the system, but it's their clients that are doing the healing. It's the spinal wave that brings that healing intelligence up and down the spine so the body can do what the body knows what to do to heal. So I wanted to share that with you today, that your body's smart, your body's intelligent, your body knows what to do, and if there's interference, like in the form of spinal blockages, that can interfere with the intelligence of the body. So as spinal flow practitioners, what we do is we look to find if there's interference. We help the body release, integrate that interference so there's more life force, there's more intelligence, there's more prana, all of that, innate intelligence, chi, and that's what flows through with the spinal wave. So the spinal flow is like the generator or the mover of this life force, innate intelligence, and that's inside all of us. So I teach my spinal flow practitioners as well to look for what works. Like, where is their wave? Where is their life force energy in their clients? Okay, so let's say it's, there's life force energy and there's a wave coming from here to here. Let's help their body find more. Let's increase it so the body's moving in one vibration, one energy, and that's moving through the system. So please know your body's incredible. Please know that you have everything inside you to heal already. Healing's an inside-out job. You have it inside you. It's what you're made of. You're made of this innate intelligence, this healing energy that lives inside you. Sometimes in our life, we can have so much stress or pain or disease or illness that it feels like we can't access that. With the Spinal Flow Technique, we look at removing layer upon layer, moving the blockages, releasing that so we can connect to our pure essence, our intelligence and the wisdom of the body so healing can happen. And if you want to learn this, if you want to learn to work with people's innate intelligence and wisdom, then join me on my certification program and come and learn the spinal flow technique so you can help your clients find and connect to what's inside them already.